You guys ready to burn some fat? Blast it away?
So we're also, will you guys stand up and dance with us too, all right?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Take it away, my friend.
Here we go. At home, step touch with us. So we're gonna start with a little bit of hip hop, just like this, all right? Row it out. Row it out, just like that, yes. Row it out. You're gonna start with hip hop, you got it, yes. Row it out. Come on, if you mess up, who cares? Just like that. Now we're gonna go on to our next one. We call this the B-boy. Like this, here you go. Step front and front and front, just like that, yes, B-boy. You bring your arms back like this, bring the arms back, you got it. You got it. If you mess up, who cares? You just keep moving, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now the next one, watch this. Patty cake, then go double. Double, here you go, Dr. Oz, go bam and bam.
Yeah.
That's the slow version. Are you ready to get fast? Bam, bam, here we go. Speed it up like this, and we go. 1, 2, double, come on, push.
That's good,
push,
though.
double, come on,
That's
come on,
good.
push. You gotta put some stank on it. Have fun with it.
That's good.
Push. All right, cardio burst, get ready.
Right here.
Run.
Right here.
What's
yes.
this for?
Right
Yes.
here. This is for your
Yes.
cardio. This is a cardio burst. A cardio burst. We're going to do 2 more of these. Don't hold your breath
Please.
during it.
If that's too hard, look. If that's too hard, you
Keep
just sit
going.
right here.
Oh, Billy's got the easy one. Look at Billy over there.
All right, pump up the music.
How long we do this for?
All right, here we go.
All
Next
right.
one. Now we're gonna go to salsa. Pump up the music a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Shake it. Shake it. All right, now side step, side out. Out. There we go. I can hear it. Push and push. Side step, just like this. You want to get
right.
sassy and spicy.
Out and
Put
in.
those hips into
Out
it. Yes.
and in. Out
Yes, work
and
it.
in.
Have fun.
Out
Doesn't have to be
and in.
perfect. Now front to back. Here we go.
Front to back.
Go front and back. Front and back. Yes, Dr. Oz, you got it. Bam. Now, if you want to get fancy at home, watch this. Turn. Just if you want to.
I knew it was coming.
Yeah. Now your next one, watch this. Slow step. Go grapevine, kick.
Kick out.
Grapevine, kick. Yeah, you can keep it
Out.
small right there in your steps. There you go.
Kick out.
Now we're gonna speed it up. Only if you
Speed
want
it
to.
up.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yes. Awesome. All right, last one. Shake it. Shake it. Uh-oh. Cardio burst. Hit it.
All right. Cardio burst. It's time for
Run it out.
your
Come on,
cardio.
come on.
Don't
Yes.
hold your breath.
Yes.
How many
Don't hold
seconds?
it.
It's working.
We
Working.
got one more coming.
Yeah.
You want to get
Awesome,
a cardio
guys.
burst in your workout. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Go as fast as you can.
Remember, if that's too hard,
Almost
stay right
done.
here. If that's too hard.
All right.
I'm doing
All
Billy's
right.
next time. I'm doing Billy's next time.
All right, next one. We're gonna go to Bollywood, all right? You ready to go to Bollywood?
Bollywood.
Go, step. Here we go. 1, 2, tap 3 times. Other side. 1, 2, tap 3 times. All right? 1, 2, yes. Tap 3 times, you got it. 1, 2, now you're gonna add the arms like this. Here we go.
Oh, come on.
Bring it around. Oh, yeah, 1, 2.
Now the other
Turn
way.
around. Yes. Push. Push.
Now we turn
Turn
this
around. If you don't want to turn, you don't have to turn. You can stay right there like this.
Other way.
Bam, bam, bam. Yes. All right. Now step touch. Next one, we call this the Bollywood bounce. Watch this.
6,
Jump
7,
here.
8.
Go jump, jump. 1, 2, 3. Jump, jump. 1, 2, 3. That's it. You got that?
1, 2, 3.
Now add some arms like this.
1, 2, 3.
Go right. 1, 2, 3. 1. Yes. Let's go back into a cardio.
All right. Cardio burst. This is the last one. So
gosh.
make this good.
Run. Come on. Come
Make
on.
it
Come on. Come on.
good.
Run.
Breathe
You're gonna
and
sweat.
smile.
How you doing, Dr. Oz? Want to go back to this one?
It's really good.
I'm
This is
Billy's
modified.
cheating.
This is modified.
Don't cheat. All
All right, here we go.
go.
Pump it up, pump it up. All right, now this one's called Rejoice. We're gonna rejoice because we're all done, all right? Here we
we're
go.
done.
Just like this.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7,
Arms
8.
up, down, up, down. Reach it up. Now you go here. Yes, reach it up. You're rejoicing. Up, to the right, to
Right.
the left. Now your next one, watch this. Go kick, kick, kick.
Kick, kick,
Bring front.
and bring it back.
Yeah. Kick, kick.
Kick.
That's it. Here we go.
Okay, fantastic. This is the whole workout site, DrOz.com. Billy and Sherry, a new 5 CD DVD collection. Dance it out, routines, designed for the whole family. Be sure to check it out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.